Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are learning a lot from this series. So today in this video we are going to change our editor, its font size, line width and stuff like that. So let's close all of these files. Let me remove this one. So you can also install this PHP debug. So it's used to debug your file. So let me turn off the call. So here you need to let's click on your project, and we are going to interact with the session. We are going to interact with the setting.json. So how you can open this setting.json? So let me open this here. No, we can't open it from there. So let's click on this file, and after this you need to click on this preferences, and then after this you need to click on this setting. And after this setting, you can also set this from multiple things from here, right? Or you can also directly add the code in the setting.json. So how you can open setting.json? So let's take eye on this icon. So it's representing open setting JSON, right? So I'm clicking on it. Let's click on it, and yes, it's open the setting for us. So in your case, this line and these lines are added. So this one is added for icons, which we added the icons in our application. So let me enable it again. So if you don't know how to enable how to add these icon into your project, into your VS Code, so watch my video. So I will add the link in the description. So it's very simple, and it's these are very readable. And then live share present. So I will also tell you that how you can share your code with someone other developer. And one more, these are not colorization enabled, false. Okay, we are not going to discuss about this. We are going to discuss about these things. So if you want to change the font family of your VS Code, so how you can do this? So you need to type editor.font family, and then here you need to type your font family. So by default, VS Code follow this consola's family name. If you want to add your own one, like Vardhana, let me search this Vardhana, save this one, so it will instantly applied, and yes, our text is changed, right? So you can I know what is the next one. It's Arial, so you can apply also Arial. Save this one, and yes, it's changed, right? So you can add any of the family, which it's totally depend upon your personal preference, because maybe I like this Vardhana and you don't like this. So it's personal preference, you can add it to your own ones. And then next come font size. So how much font you like to increase this? So by default there is 14 size, and if I want to make the bigger code, I want to make this 18. So it's totally upon your preference. If you like the smaller one, so you can do the small, like 12 or 10, right? So it will make this more smaller, and you can also increase its size. So I hit this 18, so you can view this. It's basically upon your eyesight. If your eyesight is weak, so you can increase its size as much you want. So if you made it 28, so you can also do this 28, right? So I'm going to revert it again back, right? I think it would be 14, I'm not sure, maybe 16. Okay, so now it's good. And you can also change the line height. So what is line height? So this line height is mean that how is the difference between these two lines. So basically it's a space between two lines. So let me make this 29 and check that space, and yes, now it's made this 29, right? So if I made this 39, so you can easily see the difference, that there is so now there is increase, the space is increased between these lines. So now it's also depend upon your personal preference, because I like the default this line height of this VS Code, right? So someone is calling me and I'm disturbing from the calls, that's why here. So let me explore something more, if there is something. So even you can also change the theme. You can also install the different fonts based on your requirements. So I have let me go to the exact directory I think it's a full stack web development, where I stored multiple themes which I personally like these themes. So let me search the VS Code, and here I find this bold, light, regular and stuff like that. So I install these not themes, these are the fonts. So how you can install this? So let me you can even click on any of the theme, any of the font, and then install this. So there is a button of install and you can instantly install this. So it's already installed, that's why it's telling us that, are you sure want to replace? Yes, I want to replace it. So it's very simple. So after this successful installation, this install button is disappeared. That's great. So you can install whatever you want. So if you like these themes, I will add the link in the description so you can get these themes. So let's go back, and I think everything is covered. And if you are not familiar with my YouTube channel, so basically I'm shooting the videos on the Laravel almost daily, and I'm also posting different tips and tricks on the Laravel on the daily basis. You can get the regular tips from this channel, and I have also different playlists on the Laravel. So APIs, PDF series, full calendar JS, Stripe integration, and much more. So hope you will like this series. So subscribe the YouTube channel and share it with your friends. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.